Many seniors take supplements every morning believing they're boosting their health, but what if some of these common pills are quietly increasing your risks instead of reducing them? Hidden dangers often come from ingredients you don't see, side effects you don't feel at first, and interactions you've never been warned about. Today, we'll uncover the truth behind the supplements almost every senior uses without knowing the real risks. Let's start with multivitamins. They seem harmless, but many contain synthetic forms of vitamins that the body struggles to absorb, leading to buildup and toxicity over time. Seniors often take them daily without realizing they may already get those nutrients from food. Next, consider calcium supplements. Doctors now warn that excessive calcium from pills can harden arteries and raise heart attack risk instead of strengthening bones. Calcium from food behaves differently, but supplement overload is surprisingly common in older adults. Vitamin D is another supplement that can be dangerous when overused. Many seniors take it just in case, but too much vitamin D can cause kidney stones, dehydration, and calcium buildup in the wrong places. Without testing levels first, you may do more harm than good. Now let's talk about fish oil. While omega-3s from food are excellent, many supplements oxidize during storage and turn rancid, which triggers inflammation, the opposite of what you want. Rancid fish oil can silently damage blood vessels and digestive health. Herbal supplements like ginkgo, ashwagandha, turmeric capsules, and ginseng may seem natural, but they can strongly interact with common senior medications. Many seniors don't know these herbs can thin blood, raise blood pressure, or disrupt heart rhythms. Even the mild ones can have powerful effects. Magnesium is widely used for sleep and muscle relaxation, but not all forms are safe. Cheap versions like magnesium oxide don't absorb well and can cause severe digestive issues and electrolyte imbalance. The right type and dose matter far more than most people realize. B-complex supplements also carry hidden risks. Some forms of B6 and B12, when taken in high doses, can cause nerve irritation, anxiety spikes, and even numbness or tingling. Seniors often blame aging for these symptoms when the supplement is actually responsible. Finally, watch out for joint support supplements like glucosamine, chondroitin, and collagen blends. Many brands use fillers, sugars, and artificial ingredients that trigger inflammation rather than reduce it. Some also worsen blood sugar control in seniors with diabetes. Supplements can help, but only when used correctly, in the right dose, with the right form, and only when the body actually needs them. The safest approach is always testing first, choosing reputable brands, and avoiding unnecessary daily pills. Your body at 60, 70, or 80 needs precision, not guesswork. If this helped you uncover the hidden dangers behind everyday supplements, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it today. It's essential to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect your health. If you've had any experiences with supplements, good or bad, I want to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for tips on how to choose safe supplements, be sure to check out my next video on that topic.